Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve formula bar missing in Excel issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Closing and restarting the Excel app is a simple action that can often reset any interface glitches and bring back the formula bar. The next solution is to unhide the formula bar via View tab. For this, open your Excel workbook. Navigate to the View tab on the top menu bar. Look for the Show group within the View tab. Ensure that the formula bar option is checked. Updating Excel application to the latest version can help you to fix formula bar missing issue. For this, open the Microsoft Excel application. Click the Account option. Click Update Options and click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Sometimes, workbook-specific settings might affect the visibility of the formula bar. For this, you have to open the workbook where the formula bar is missing. Go to the File tab, then select Options. In the Excel Options window, navigate to the Advanced section. Ensure that the Show Formula Bar option is checked under the Display section. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing formula bar missing in Excel issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.